Welcome to Hengwang Factory. Hengwang is located in Jining City, Shandong Province, China. Our group occupies an area of about 42,000 square meters. We mainly manufacture all kinds of drilling rigs, pile drivers. Our group has over 400 workers, 120 production workers, 35 senior engineers and 260 salesmen. It is a group company that integrates technology, research and development, production, international trade, domestic trade, network services, and logistics and transportation. Our company has services on the international trade B2B platform, and our professional technology have won praise from domestic and foreign customers. In order to meet the needs of customers, we continue to absorb technical R&D personnel. We pay attention to machine quality and details, and each machine must pass precise design. Because quality is the soul of the product, also is important factors of our brand go abroad. Our main processing equipment quantity reaches 100 sets, including of CNC leaf machines, advanced gateway grinder. Our company has enough spare parts inventory. Hengwang mainly have pneumatic drilling rig, DTH drilling rig, hydraulic drilling rig, solar pile driver, and guardrail pile driver. Our pneumatic drilling rig range from 100 meters to 1000 meters. DTH drilling rig we have integrated and separated type. Our machines have passed CHA certification. We have obtained ISO supplier qualification, and we have also passed technical inspections, such as SGS and TÜV. We export machines to all around the world. Our drilling rigs and pile drivers also receive positive feedback from customers. Buy a machine, choose Hengwang, and make a prosperous business.